Hey guys, good morning. So I just woke up and I did my makeup for you guys because I wanted to look extra cute for you all. Recently I've been loving makeup, guys. I used to hate wearing makeup at home, but now I don't know, I'm really excited to do my makeup in the morning. So today I've done winged eyeliner with some eyeshadow, and yeah, I just love it, guys. And I would like to show you something. This is my makeup station right now, guys. It's looking so damn good. I just love it. It's so neat and clean. All my brushes are over here, and look at this. I just love this organizer. I already showed you this one, but I wanted to show you this one. Look at this, guys. I got this one yesterday. I paid only £1 for this one, and look at this. It fits my cotton pads and my earbuds. It fits perfectly, and I just love it. It's just £1, girls. You can get it from Poundland. By the way, last night, guys, it was so cold and I was literally dying. I was feeling I'm gonna get sick. Our heater is not working at the moment, if you guys don't know. So I bought this portable heater. It saved me yesterday, guys. I almost feel like I was going to be sick because my throat was being little bit, itchy, and I was getting little headaches as well. I just told you guys that our heater is not working, and seriously, guys, it's a very big issue right now for me and my husband because our hot water is also not working. Only emergency hot water is working. We also don't have heater at home. Our radiators are not working at all, so we have to get portable heater for now. And the vendor of this house, I don't know what's wrong with these people. It's taking forever, they are just coming here and saying, oh, we don't have the right parts, and they just leave, and the next day they will come and then they will say, you haven't issued the job right. So they will just make some sort of excuse and won't fix our heater and boiler. As you all know, it's really expensive to reinstall your heater and boiler, and that's why I think they are just trying to make excuses and stuff. But we are fed up, guys. It's winter time and it sucks when it's cold and you don't have hot water, and every time when you take shower you have to put on your emergency heater. It costs a lot, guys. It's not cheap, and I just don't like it. But soon they are coming in our house to fix the problem. Hopefully they will fix this time and we will have hot water running and all our radiators working. So yeah, guys, if end is good, everything is good. But I don't think in this winter I will get any hot water or warm rooms, So anyways, thank you for listening me, and I will go ahead and start my day. I'm taking this guy downstairs. It's really cold today, so let's go. Look what I did, guys. I just made a little sandwich for myself. I added the egg, sausage, tomato and hash brown like this, and then I'm gonna eat it like a sandwich. It's so much easier for me, and there is a burnt egg over here. Excuse that. But yeah, okay guys, it's almost lunchtime now and I'm going to prepare my lunch today. I will vlog for you guys and I will give you the recipe as well. I'm making Chipley Bhanta and Aloo, and most of my viewers, when they watch my recipe, they comment saying, why don't you do your voiceovers in Nepali? It's so much better. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. तपाईहरुलाई यस्तो भिडियोहरु मन पर्छ भने चाहिँ म फेरि यस्तै टाइपको कुकिङ भ्लग्सहरु बनाउँछु हजुरहरुको लागि. So yeah, let's go ahead and make Chipley Bhanta and Aloo ko tarkari. So पहिला चाहिँ म मेरो Chipley Bhanta हरु पखाल्न जाँदै छु. यो चाहिँ हिजो मैले टाउन सेन्टरबाट लिएको हो, टाइरी मार्केटमा. यो चाहिँ 1 pound जति छ. सो यसलाई मजाले पखाल्नु पर्छ पहिला. सो मैले यो पखालिसकेको छु. अब चाहिँ यसलाई यो किचन टावलले चाहिँ यसरी सुक्खा पार्ने. यस्तो किन गर्नु पर्छ भने यस्तो गरेन भने चाहिँ यो चिप्ले भेन्टा चाहिँ सबै च्याप हुन्छ हैन. यो पानीले गर्दा पछि काट्दाखेरि अनि पकाउँदाखेरि पनि अलि राम्रोसँग पाक्दैन अनि मिठो पनि हुँदैन. सो यसलाई यसरी ड्राई गर्नु पर्छ. सो अहिले मैले चाहिँ सबै चिप्ले भेन्टा चाहिँ किचन टावलले सुक्खा गराइसके। अब यसलाई हामीले काट्नु पर्छ। पहिला यसको माथिको टुप्पो अनि तलको टुप्पो काटेर हाल्ने यसरी। सो मैले चाहिँ सबै चिप्ले भेन्टा यसरी काटिसकेको छु माथि र तलको। अब यसलाई यहाँ राख्ने अनि यो मैलालाई चाहिँ फाल्दिने। अब चाहिँ यो चिप्ले भेन्टा यस्तो टुप्पो काटिसकेको चिप्ले भेन्टालाई लिएर यसरी ठिक्क ठिक्कको गोलो गोलो गरेर काट्ने। एकदमै सानो पनि गर्नु पर्दैन, एकदम ठुलो पनि गर्नु पर्दैन, ठिक्कको भयो हुन्छ। सो मैले मेरो सबै चिप्ले भेन्टाहरू चाहिँ काटिसके यसरी सानो सानो पिसमा। हेर्नुस्, तपाईहरुले देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ मेरो चिप्ले भेन्टा चाहिँ एउटा पनि यसरी टाँसिएको छैन एकअर्कासँग, किनभने मैले यसलाई चाहिँ धोएर किचन टावलले सुक्खा गरेको थिएँ। सो यो भ्यायो। अब हामी आलु र प्याज काट्ने छौं। सो मैले एउटा ठिक्कको आलु लिएको छु। धेरै आलु पनि मिक्स नगर्नु होला चिप्ले भेन्टा र आलु बनाउँदाखेरि, किनभने चिप्ले भेन्टाको फ्लेभर गइजान्छ आलुले। सो सानो ठिक्कको आलु हाल्नुस् अनि आधा प्याज। यसलाई चाहिँ म पखाल्छु पहिला। सो मैले आलु पखालिसके। अब म यसलाई तिखार्छु। मैले मेरो आलु तिखारिसके। अब यो प्याजलाई काट्ने, यसको बोक्रा फाल्ने यसरी। यति आधा प्याज भए पुग्छ, यति प्याज भए पुग्छ र यसलाई चप गर्नुस्। यो यत्रो यत्रो चप भयो हुन्छ। अब आलुलाई पनि चप गर्नुस्। आलुलाई चाहिँ मैले टिक्क टिक्क पिस गरेको छु। सो हाम्रो तरकारीहरु काटेर तयार भइसकेको छ। आलु यत्रो यत्रो पिस गर्नुस्, प्याज चाहिँ ठिक्क ठिक्कको काट्दा हुन्छ र चिप्ले भेन्टा तपाईहरुले देखिसक्नु भयो, यत्रो यत्रो साइजको गर्दा ठिक्क हुन्छ। सो अब चाहिँ हामी यो पकाउनको लागि तयार छौं। अब एउटा तावा बसाल्ने मिडियम हिटमा अनि तेल राख्ने। यो चिप्ले भेन्टाको लागि चाहिँ अलि धेरै नै तेल युज गर्नुपर्छ, किनभने यो हामीले पानी नहालिकन फ्राई गरेर बनाउने हो। तेल हल्का तातिसकेको छ। अब यसमा हामी यो मिक्स स्पाइसेस हाल्ने छौं। यसमा चाहिँ जीरा, धनिया, दालचिनी मिक्सचर छ यसमा चाहिँ, त्यही भएर मैले युज गरेको। तर तपाईहरुसँग छैन यो मिक्सचर भने चाहिँ जस्ट जीरा अथवा मेथी मात्रै पड्काए पनि हुन्छ। सो यो हाल्दिनुस् र एकछिन यसलाई खारिन दिनुस्, हल्का ब्राउन हुन दिनुस्। अब हाम्रो यो जीराको मिक्सचर हल्का खैरो भइसकेको छ। यसमा आलु हाल्नुस्, साथसाथै यो काटेको प्याज पनि हालिदिनुस्। यसलाई चाहिँ हल्का रातो रातो हुनेसम्म पकाउनुस्। यो आलु चाहिँ आधा पाकेको हुनुपर्छ। मेरो आलु आधा पाकिसकेको छ। अब यसमा म मेरो चिप्ले भेन्टा एड गर्न जाँदैछु। मैले मेरो चिप्ले भेन्टा हालिसकेको छु। अब यसलाई हल्का यसरी चलाउँदै जाने। हेर्नुस् त मैले अघि हालेको तेल सबै यसले सोसिसकेको छ। सो धेरै तेल हाले भने चाहिँ यो मिठो हुन्छ। मिडियम हिटमा यो चिप्ले भेन्टालाई 2-3 मिनेट यसरी भुट्ने आलुसँगै। मैले यो चिप्ले भेन्टा भुटेको 2 मिनेट जस्तो भइसकेको छ। यसमा मैले बेसार चाहिँ 1 चम्चा र नुन स्वाद अनुसार। अब यसमा म हल्का धुलो खोर्सानी हाल्दैछु, आधी चम्चा जस्तो। अनि त्यसमा मैले 1 चम्चा जस्तो जिरा पाउडर पनि हाले। अब यसलाई फेरि चलाउनु। अब यसलाई लो हिट गरेर छोपेर राख्नुस्। 7-8 मिनेट पाक्न दिनुस् र बिच बिचमा यसलाई चलाउन नभुल्नु होला। मैले यो चिप्ले भेन्टालाई छोपेर पकाएको अलमोस्ट 8 मिनेट जस्तो भइसक्यो लो हिटमा र हेर्नुस् यो अलमोस्ट पाकिसकेको छ। अब यसमा चाहिँ म हल्का लेमन जुस हाल्नु। टमाटर मैले युज गर्दिन किनभने टमाटर हाले भने टमाटरमा मोइस्चर हुन्छ जसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यो चिप्ले भेन्टालाई चाहिँ नमिठो बनाउँछ। त्यही भएर हल्का लेमन जुस हाल्दा हुन्छ। मैले 1 चम्चा जस्तो लेमन जुस हाले। अब यसलाई 1-2 मिनेट यसरी नै पाक्न दिनुस्। ल हेर्नुस् त मेरो यम्मी तरकारी तयार भइसकेको छ चिप्ले भेन्टा र आलुको। तपाईहरुले पनि कुनै दिन ट्राई गर्नु होला र कस्तो लाग्यो मलाई कमेन्टमा लेखेर भन्नु होला। Okay guys, since I'm daily vlogging for you guys are like my family now, and I would like to share what are my favorites, what I don't like, you know, stuffs like that, so that you guys can know me even better, you know what I mean. Right now I would like to tell about my favorite YouTubers, and अहिले चाहिँ मैले म vlogs हेर्छु, and then Jake Paul ko pani herchu मैले vlogs haru. I also watch Nepali YouTuber. He is a funny guy. I forgot his name. Oh, James Shrestha. I really love him. He's a very funny guy. He makes my day every time. I also watch Mamma Mia Makeup. Yeah, that's about it guys. That's all my favorite vloggers, and please make sure to watch them and like and subscribe to their channel and tell them I sent you. You guys know that lately I've been doing a lot of cardio workouts. It's been 5 days since I have started doing cardio workout guys, and seriously guys, this cardio workout is killing me and making me tired most of the time, and I think I need some rest it's because I'm not giving my body time to heal, you know. So from now on I'm gonna do 5 days of workout, and then on weekends I will just relax and let my body, you know, recover. So that's it for today guys. Please make sure to watch my yesterday's video as well. I uploaded a fire trick video for you guys, and if you guys watched that video, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed that video, and make sure to like and comment, and I love you all. Bye.